sharing can be done, or you can have a proper folder structure in Tekla Trimble Connect, like you have in your office, and then data can be all drawings, your models, everything can be stored, and access can be controlled. Say you might have to give a specific set of access to specific set of people. Everyone might not see every data, so that access control is also there. You can add different teams, add them as editors, add them as viewers, so all those can be done. You can do the document management, so all your documents can be uploaded. So, and it ensures that every time there is only one single source of information, there won't be any duplicate drawings or older version drawings, obsolete drawings that is being used in the site or for the reviews. You can track the user activity, so who has uploaded what issues are there in the model. You can do all the tracking for that. You can open all the BIM models, so whether it's a model created in Tekla or any other softwares as well. So you have your Revit model, your SketchUp model, or any other drawings or models can be imported in Tekla, and you can view those models as well. So it is not only for Tekla, any IFC files or any RVT files can be viewed in Trimble Connect. And also we have annotations and to-dos. So through to-dos, we can say, I have an issue, there's a clash detection. So I need to assign it to a team member, so I can do it through Trimble Connect. And I can manage the releases. I have document markup tools, so you can open your drawings and your models and you can do the markups, assign it to other team members. We also have a clash detection functionality, so you can see what is clashing with what. You cannot do any editing in Trimble Connect, but you can see that this is clashing, so you can assign it to the corresponding team member to rectify the clashes. We also have Tekla model sharing. Tekla model sharing is a patented technology where multiple people can work in the same model at the same time. So say a master model is stored in the cloud, and whatever changes that you make, so maybe 2 or 3 people are working in the same model from different locations in a single model, so only the changes get synchronized. So I make a change to a drawing, I can only write out that packet of change. So only that particular packet gets synchronized. Similarly, if I make an editing in the beam or add members, I can only synchronize that change that I made into the master model in the cloud. So it does not consume much data, you can work even without internet, and at the end of the day, when you are synchronizing, you can synchronize it with an internet connection. And you can read in other changes as well. So if I made some change, I've written out into the master model, so all the other users, you can see here, will get a notification that 3 changes are ready to be read in. So you need to read in the changes, so everyone's model will be in sync. And we also have some control. We can lock the models. The admin can lock the models. If something goes wrong, he can restrict other users from making further changes. Also, we can delete versions and go back. This only the admin can do. He can delete the latest version if something went wrong and go back to the previous version. So we have that control as well in Tekla model sharing. And I'll just give a quick brief about a couple of other softwares. So one is Tekla PowerFab. PowerFab is a solution for fabrication management. So it's a complete steel fabrication management system that is designed for steel fabricators. So it's a subscription product, and you can take full advantage of a BIM model. So here you do a model in Tekla structures, you can take it to Tekla PowerFab for all your fabrication management. So you can actually do the model visualization. So whatever model that you done in Tekla, that can be visualized. You can do the estimation in PowerFab. You can manage multiple projects at the same time. You can manage your purchase orders through PowerFab. Metal optimization can be done. We have this production control functionalities. You can inventory control tools is there in Tekla PowerFab. You can manage your shipping. You can see what is shipped, what is yet to be shipped, what is not shipped. So you can manage that shipping as well as the site parameters, and you have interactive dashboards. So in a single place, you can see what is shipped, what is yet to be shipped, what is fabricated. So all that management can be done through Tekla PowerFab. So it basically helps you for better productivity. And that is also open, we have an open BIM approach in that case as well. So all the industry-wide software, machinery software or plate nesting software, barcode software. So we have integration between all this industry standard software. So you can basically integrate with any of these solutions. And one more solution that I have is Tekla Structural Designer. Tekla Structural Designer is our solution for analysis and design. So it's a revolutionary software for analysis and design for steel, concrete as well as timber buildings. It addresses many of the practical problems engineers face using the traditional software solutions. So you can do basically foundation design and superstructure design in the same model. Similarly, you can do the physical modeling in Tekla Structural Designer. The analysis model is automatically generated in tandem with while you model the physical model. We also have a code complacent design, so Indian codes, Euro codes, US codes are all available. You can load the code, you can do the modeling, you can define the loads and load cases. We have a seismic as well as wind wizard as well, so you can add those loadings as well. And then you can run the analysis and run the design. For both steel as well as concrete. So for steel, it will give you the ideal section, and in case of concrete, it will provide you with the rebar layout. So here I will just run a video.